Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video I will tell you about how to solve the issue when your USB is connected or disconnected in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A53 5G. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to connect or disconnect the USB with your device, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the USB connection and disconnected with your device Samsung Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A53 5G. Let's watch it.